We're at Accountex Live, it's 2023, we are in London, the capital of the United Kingdom, and we're here at the Chaser stand. I've got the beautiful Inga and Amaya with me from Chaser. Welcome.
Thank you, great to be here.
And Inga, how important is this event for Chaser?
It is so important. It is just so wonderful to get here and to get to speak with accountants, bookkeepers, finance professionals from all over Europe actually, and just really show that credit control and having an optimized credit control process, it doesn't have to be difficult or time consuming. Chaser can help. So it's just wonderful. And also meeting all the other app partners, and yeah, we're like a community, so it's really great.
And Amaya, is this your first Accountex, or have you done a few of these?
No, I think this would be about my third.
Oh, you're a veteran.
I'm a veteran, yeah, but when you speak to Kevin later, he's been to 9, so he's the true veteran.
He's a little bit older than you two, though.
Just a little, not too much. But yeah, certainly this year I think it's been pretty busy, especially day one, and I would say potentially the busiest day one of Accountex that we've seen.
And Inga, what kind of conversations have you been having on your stand?
Yeah, so we actually have some really good conversations where accountants and bookkeepers and finance professionals are coming to us with a real problem. They're saying we need help with getting...
So very specific questions.
Yeah, we need help with getting our invoices paid, or we need help with getting our clients paid.
Yes.
Because late payments are a problem now for businesses all over the globe. So it's just great to have those conversations and to show that Chaser can help. There is a solution out there. So some great conversations.
Amaya, talk to us about the credit control and payment space. We know the economic constraints at the moment. We know a lot of businesses are struggling. Invoices still need paying. Businesses need to run. How are you reading the market out there?
How are we reading the market in terms of the kind of apps that are available or the problems that people are
Let's start
experiencing?
with the problems.
The problems that people are experiencing is, I think, what we're hearing a lot is a lack of kind of resources internally to deal with those late payments and to dedicate to getting paid on time. So I was just speaking to somebody yesterday, and companies are sacrificing 180k of revenue simply because they don't really have the systems in place all the time.
That's a lot of money.
Chase up well, that could sink a business. That could sink a small business, that amount of money. So I would say it's the lack of internal resources is the main problem that we're seeing, and then the debt build up off the back of that and the impact on cash flow.
And you mentioned the apps as well, the resources to solve that problem.
Yeah, certainly. So obviously Chaser, we help on the late payment side, but even before that, you need to have your invoicing process in place. You need to be able to send out those invoices, process them. You need to have your bookkeeping correct, otherwise you're billing the wrong people at the wrong time, the wrong amount. So of course, we're spending some time on the Xero stand today as an app partner, and certainly the payables side as well has that knock-on effect. If you're not paying people properly, then they're on the receiving end of that late payment. So there's some great tools here as well to help on the payables side.
Inga, I was struck when I met you yesterday and today about how cheerful you are and passionate you are. Give us a little insight about what Chaser's like to work for, perhaps the culture.
Working for Chaser is wonderful. We have so much fun together as a team. Going to work every day is a pleasure, but also because we support each other. We want the best for each other. We want each other to
work,
succeed.
would you?
Sorry?
You'd pay Sonia to work for her, would you?
This close to ask, do you want to? No, but it's just wonderful. And I think also seeing the real impact we actually have on businesses.
Yes.
As Amaya pointed out, in fact, 50,000 businesses in the UK close down each year due to cash flow problems.
Goodness.
Numbers by the FSB.
Yeah.
So knowing that we are actually helping businesses survive is just putting us together in such a... We are such a team. So
it's great, Amaya, to make a difference, isn't it? That must excite you.
Yeah, certainly. And I think the impact you see from a business putting in place those proactive measures to manage their debt, the impact can be so fast, and it lets that business grow. It lets them focus on keeping their customers happy, expanding their operations, hiring new staff. And I think that's partly why the kind of culture in the team is so positive and happy at Chaser, because we see those results every day. I think we had a customer client of our accounting partner, Tax Assist, got their customer paid 20k of debt in 30 minutes just by sending out that first set of automated reminders. Having that proactive approach across all of their debtor book instantly got them a 20k cash flow boost.
That's life-changing, isn't it?
Life-changing, yeah. Imagine that, doing it consistently, it makes a really big difference.
Well, Amaya and Inga, thank you so much for your passion. It's been great to spend some time with you today.
So lovely. Thank you so much.